everyone, this is Cindy with Creating with the Heart, and I am back with a It's From Everywhere haul. So I'm going to go ahead and get started because I have a lot of things to share. The first is from the Ink Blot shop. There was a 40% off coupon code on Instagram, so I went ahead and picked up a couple things I had on my wish list. The first is this one, which is a great planner stamp. I need to do a way better job at planning and keeping track of what day it is. I'm kind of struggling with that. Keeping track of all the meetings I have to go to and all that stuff. That's now so different working from home mostly. The other is this one. It's called Get Grounded. So it's kind of like a stamp set that you would place images on to kind of ground them. So it has all these different grounds, which I think is pretty cool. So I got those two from the Ink Blot shop. Next, I had ordered a pre-order of the Heidi Swapp, it's her toner ink. And so that finally came. And so I don't know where it is, but that came. But I also got a gift with that, which I thought was kind of cool. So I ordered it from Simon Says Stamp. And it says, as a special thank you, enjoy this free gift. So that's kind of exciting. So let me go ahead and share with you what came in this little free gift, which I don't know that I have this one. I might. If I do, then it'll be in a giveaway. But it came with this Concord and Ninth turnabout stamp, and it's called Birdie Talk. So, and then also came with these cute stickers from Chamel. So that was a free gift from Simon Says Stamp. So that was kind of fun. I got, I don't know if it's all here. I have, well, this is my Glimmer foil system. I really need to get going and foil all the things. So I'm probably going to have like a foil weekend and just go crazy. Because once you kind of get the stuff out and you start heating everything up, and it just makes more sense to do a bunch at once. So this one's a really fun one. It's kind of a Crafty Hugs one. I thought this would be sort of a fun one to play with. But this came with my kit, and it came with this foil, because I need to put stuff away. So Simon Says Stamp, or not Simon Says Stamp, Greeting Farm. So the Greeting Farm, they have their farmers markets once every couple of months. So I did buy a few things from there. Everything is discounted. A lot of times, sometimes it's things that are new, and sometimes it's things that are, retired that they bring back. This one's called Mini Remix Friend, which I thought was cute. This is Holiday Anya 7. I love the little girl, the gingerbread. And then I've got a couple things. I might have this one. This is a peppermint. I forget what her name was. I might have this one, so that might go in my giveaway. But I just bought it thinking maybe I don't have it. I can't remember. And then this is another Christmas one. She's holding a Christmas tree. So I got that. And then I did buy a Peachy Cheap. This was the Crepe Paper Fresh Bouquet, which is a new collection from them. So in this collection, I got double-sided papers. So that is what's nice about, kind of buying your papers separately and picking out papers, is then they're double-sided, which I really do like working with double-sided paper usually. So this one's Fresh Bouquet. So it definitely has a Maggie Holmes sort of vibe. It's like a cut-apart sheet. So I got that, and the stickers, and these wood veneers, but they're like, I don't know if that's gold, copper, gold maybe? Not silver, but pretty cool. So there's that. And then the ephemera. So here's the Fresh Bouquet ephemera. So I did receive that. I'll put all this stuff away. And then I got my CC Designs order. So on Tuesdays, they do a 4 for Tuesday 4 for Tuesday, and they have a discounted items. So these were half off, so I went ahead and got these. This one is called Cute Yeti plus the dies, so that was a really good deal. And then they've been doing their own version of Disney princesses. So I think last month I got Snow White and Cinderella, and this one's Ariel, super cute. I need some time to play. And then I used my points. So because I belong to a couple of different Spellbinders kits, then I kind of racked up points. So I used my points to, plus they were just, this stuff was discounted pretty heavily, so I went ahead and splurged on it. So I got this box, and it makes like gingerbread house, which I thought was cute. And then this one and this one, they go together, and then there's other holidays that go with it that I can't wait to get. This one is called Sunday Drive, and it spells out, it's like a happy birthday, so it spells out, you know, happy birthday in a little car. And then this is the wedding one. These ones were the ones that were kind of really good sale, so I got those. But they have a Halloween one and a Christmas one that I'll go with this, which I thought that was kind of fun. And this one makes the car into a wedding card, and it says Hitch. Sunday Drive, and then that, and then this was super cheap, so I just threw that in my cart. It's the gift slider die set. So it makes, I guess, I'm not exactly sure how it works, but I think that it makes kind of like a slider that you can slide a gift card through this little bow thing right there. So I'll have to see how that works. And then on Etsy, I have been on a kick. I can't wait to show you the project that I made using the products by Studio Light. So I'm super excited to show you that. It's almost done. I just need to make the cover. So I went ahead and bought this because I wanted to make a cover out of it. And this is collage paper. So it's a very lightweight kind of paper. So I'll show you what I did with that. And then the Art by Marlene die cut block. And this is like the third book, one I don't have. And so this one's kind of fun. It's got like, really fun. I guess you can do like a 3D type thing for that. So I don't know. I'll play around with that. But that was from Etsy, and the Etsy store that I bought this from was Scrap Life Shop. So it's scraplifeshop.etsy.com. So I did buy that, and I'm in love with it. And then so sad because so two of these. I don't know how that happened, but I'm so sad because Paper Smooches is closing down their shop. I think she just wants to focus on her other business and retire. So anyway, I'm a lover of Paper Smooches. I own quite a bit of them. Not as much as I would like, but I own quite a bit. So because I had so much, I waited until August 1st, which is the day that she had 80% off or 75% off everything that was left. So she started off with a 25%, then a 50% discount, and then 75%. So I waited till 75% day, and I got what was left. So I got like an $83 discount or something like that. I think this whole thing was like $35 or something like that. All these stamp sets were ridiculously inexpensive. So let me show you what I got at 75% off. So I got this one. It's called Spreading Joy. And this is an oldie but goodie. It's called Hooties. And then this one, which is called Summer Sampler. And then it's called Kinfolk and Royal Cuteness. We Connect and Spring Groves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Yeah, I think I spent like $30 or $35 for all of this yumminess. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so it was an amazing deal. So I think probably everything is gone, but if you do get a chance to go check out what she's got left, you should do that. Anyway, thank you for watching and sustaining Create the Heart.